Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the Wi-Fi connection in your Windows 11 PC. So for that, first you have to open your settings. I'm going to open it from here. Here you will find the option network and internet. Click on that, and here you can find advanced network settings. Click on that, and you have to find the option called more network adapter option. So you will find all these settings here, and I'm currently using Ethernet and I don't have a Wi-Fi device, but for fixing the Wi-Fi device the process is exactly similar, like to give Windows a chance to fix it automatically. So for that, all you have to do is click on the network. Here you will find Wi-Fi network, it will say, but I'm using Ethernet, that's why it's saying Ethernet. So then you have to click on diagnose this connection. So it will say detecting problems, and it will try to solve the problem. So it says plug an Ethernet cable into your network adapter and check to see if the problem is fixed. It is saying like this because I don't have Ethernet cable connected. So for Wi-Fi it will say stuffs similar stuffs like this. For example, it might say to flash the DNS or something, and you can simply just click on that and click on next. Then it will solve the issue, unless your Wi-Fi card has a problem. And another thing you can check is that you can see your device manager, and in your device manager you have to find if there is any Wi-Fi connection or device here. So for example, I have a Bluetooth device here, Bluetooth module here, that's why it is showing Bluetooth module here, but I don't have any Wi-Fi module here, so it is not showing. If your Wi-Fi module has some kind of problem, then it will also not show the Wi-Fi module here. So you have to check for that. And even if you have sometimes Wi-Fi module here, it might be problematic, then you have to right click on that and click on properties. Sorry, I have to go in and click on right click on properties, and here you will find the option driver, and you have to you can find the option that update driver. You have to click on that in there. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi connection in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.